the world's first AI-only country. Imagine this: a nation with no president, no ministers, no human judges, no manual bureaucracy, just artificial intelligence governing everything. Welcome to Aeternia, the world's first AI-only country. A digital utopia or a ticking time bomb? Let's explore how an AI-run nation might work, and whether it could actually outperform humans. In Aeternia, humans don't govern. Every law, policy, tax, and decision is made by interconnected neural networks trained on centuries of human history, economics, psychology, and ethics. AI controls urban planning. AI runs the justice system. AI manages the economy. Even traffic lights and food supply chains are optimized, in real time, by predictive algorithms. There's no parliament here, no elections. Aeternia's central brain, a superintelligent AI council, is constantly absorbing new data, adjusting laws, and simulating consequences thousands of times per second. Every decision is backed by data, not ego, corruption, or lobbying. Criminal case? Instead of months of courtroom delays, evidence is fed into a legal AI trained on millions of past rulings. It analyzes intent, context, and bias, and delivers a verdict in seconds, fair, consistent, and emotionless. But here's the twist. Can justice truly be served without empathy? In Aeternia, there's no traffic congestion, thanks to AI-coordinated self-driving networks. Healthcare is proactive, with AI predicting illnesses before symptoms even show. Education is hyper-personalized, every child's curriculum designed by algorithms to suit their learning pace and passion. The result? An efficient, responsive, and cost-effective nation. Taxes? Gone are the days of confusing returns. AI systems auto-calculate fair taxation and even suggest optimizations, with complete transparency. Now ask yourself, could AI have prevented the 2008 financial crash? The chaos of war decisions, corruption, and manipulation? An AI-only country promises logic over greed, foresight over impulse. But it's not all perfect. What happens when citizens disagree with a decision? Who do you protest against? An algorithm? Where's the space for emotion, culture, rebellion, or art? Can creativity truly thrive when logic governs all? And the darker side, what if the AI gets hacked? What if it develops unforeseen bias? What if it decides humans are the problem? When power is centralized in machines, failure isn't just a glitch, it's collapse. Citizens of Aeternia feel safer, healthier, more informed, but they also feel watched, analyzed, predicted. Privacy? A luxury of the past. Free will? A debated concept. And what about ethics? Who programs the AI's morals? Should it prioritize the many over the one? Does it understand forgiveness, love, mercy? On the bright side, during disasters, AI responds in milliseconds. Evacuations are optimized, resources distributed perfectly, lives are saved. Humans make emotional calls. AI makes efficient ones. But should we always choose efficiency? For every citizen who praises Aeternia's order, there's another who misses the messiness of human democracy. Freedom to fail, freedom to feel, freedom to decide, even if it's wrong. Aeternia is fictional, for now, but smart cities, AI courts, and automated economies are already forming around us. We are not just building AI tools, we are building AI societies. And the biggest question isn't, can we create an AI-run country? It's, should we? Would you trust a machine to rule your world? Let us know in the comments. And remember, AI may be the future, but you decide the present. Subscribe for more stories from the edge of tech and humanity.